One day, a shopkeeper was speeding down the road with a basket of eggs. Suddenly, one of the eggs fell from the basket, and a chick hatched out of it. The chick started wandering on the road when a big vehicle hit it, leaving it badly injured. Nearby, a rabbit was roaming around and noticed the injured chick crying in pain. The rabbit quickly ran to the chick, comforted it, and carried it on his shoulders. He took the chick home, fed it with his hands, covered it with a blanket, and cared for it. After a month, the chick grew into a rooster. One day, while they were walking together in the forest, the rabbit saw a mouse and started chasing it. While running after the mouse, the rabbit got stuck in a swarm of bugs and fell down. The rooster saw the rabbit in trouble and quickly ran to help. He carried the rabbit on his shoulders, brought him home, removed the bugs, took care of him, and kept him warm near the fire. Eventually, the rabbit recovered and they hugged each other with joy. Subscribe to our channel